Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive notifications from our channel. Subscription is completely free.
Hey guys, welcome to the video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get free skins in PUBG PC Lite. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So yeah, free skins in PUBG PC Lite. It's simple. You just have to redeem a code which will be provided from the email. So it's basically Geo is collaborating with PUBG PC Lite, so they are giving some free skins in the game. So it's free for everyone. Just get started. All you need to go into the browser, type the URL which is gamearena.geo.com. This is the URL. I'll provide this in the description. Just click on register now and fill your details over here. Fill your DOB, whatever you like. So after done, just enter the captcha code and press register. I've already done this step, so I won't do this because it will obviously say mobile number or the email is already registered. So once you click on register, it will send an email to verify the email. So just go to Gmail, open your email which you used for code, and see first email will be this one to register, to verify your registration. So once you've done the registration, the second email will be this one, how to register. Okay, this one. So all you have to do is just copy this code, okay, or you can just click a photo of it from a camera. So once done, just open the game. So once you're in, just go into the store and go here, add bonus, get code. So just paste it, Ctrl V, simple, and click on the redeem. So receive it a new item. That's it. Go into the play, go into this inventory, and go into the weapons, and you can find you got that scar skin. You can just equip it there and you're done. So that's it. That's for the video. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel if you like it and share the video as much as you can. Thank you.